Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Terry once again from HarmonicForex. Welcome to week 38 of my live Forex market preview. This week, what I'm going to do is that I will be covering a few pairs that currently either I have a trade on or I'm planning to take a trade on. These setups, it could be harmonics, it could be some other strategies that I incorporate into my trading. So my objective is very clear. All I want is to ensure that you guys can benefit from my market knowledge and allow me to share with you things that I consistently do to keep myself profitable in this tough forex market. Yep. Also, take note that this week there will be a very, very major piece of news coming out, which is on the US interest rate decision by the Federal. So, prepared for a very volatile week, and I just hope that you guys you profit from the volatility. And setups that we discussed today in this video, we actually turn this into some profits with you guys. Okay, so just let me begin by talking about the euro dollar. So I always like to start my analysis from the daily chart onwards. Yep. Okay, so as you can see, since March till now, which is about 5 to 6 months now, the euro dollar has been consolidating sideways for a long time. And what I can see is that it has sorry, let me use this. Yep. It has over the months started to create, higher lows, and potentially another higher low here. Yep. So this could mean that the trend of the euro dollar could be changing. After this big downfall, it could be slowly creeping up, and it has a lot to do also with the US dollar. So this coming on the 16th in the US, two things can happen. Either the US Federal decides to raise interest rate, or they can choose to let the rates remain the same. Yep. So if the US dollar, the interest rate goes up on US dollar, it's likely that we can see the US dollar strengthening, and the euro dollar will fall. But if the Federal decide to hold off the interest rate, hold off rising the interest rate once again, US dollar will definitely correct down, and we could see a rally on all the USD denominated pairs. Yep. So is it wise to try to pick a direction on whether the Federal will raise the interest rate or not? Personally, I don't think it is. For us, at least for me personally, I will trade based on my own trading plan, my rules, and I will only take a trade when it aligns with my trading plan. So why would you like to predict the news when you have you know absolutely nothing what goes on behind the doors in the Federal? Yep. But one thing about trading harmonics is that over the years, I always share this with participants in my seminar, is that harmonics always allow us to get into trades ahead of time before a major news announcement is out. Yep. So, okay. All I can say is that today, what I will do is that I will share setups with you guys, and this setups might or might not work, but it's most critically important that you have a proper stop loss for every single trade that you enter into. Do not ever let a single trade, wipe you out totally. And early week from now to Wednesday, I expect to see a very slow market, because the whole market is really waiting for the news to happen. Yep. So do not rush into the trade unless you have good setups that aligns with your trading rules and risk management. Okay, enough of my nagging as usual. So let me begin with talking about the euro dollar. This is likely to be the most volatile pair this week, and it is also the most traded currency pair out in the market, the most liquid. Usually you pay the least amount of commission to trade this pair. Yep. So as you can see, higher lows, low, higher high, low high, higher low. This is a higher high, and potentially we are looking at a higher low. And if the market breaks up above this zone here around 117, we could see the euro dollar challenging the next zone around 1.25. So potentially 1,200 pips rally north of here. Of course, on the flip side, we could see the euro dollar being resisted around this 114 zone, and this could be just a bullish trap to get retailers to come in, and you could see the euro continue to drop. Yeah, so whichever happens, I am prepared on how to trade both directions. Do you currently have a setup that allows you to do this? To know what to do when the market falls and to know what to do when the market goes up. Yep. This is why we love to trade harmonics. Alright. So just earlier this month, we were sharing in our Facebook inner circle that euro dollar is forming a potential bad pattern. This was the call to buy here. Let me show you guys the inner circle. Okay, so these are my guys that we talk daily in the group, and we keep sharing about potential setups. Yep, so first one to talk about is the euro dollar bullish bet. Okay, just give me a while. Should have done this in advance. Yep, this is the one. Okay, when euro was around 1.124, what we call out is a buy around 1.1, and those who missed the first opportunity to get in, what I did was I updated them again just last week and tell them that, hey guys, euro dollar is breakout time. Yep. So the happiest thing that I enjoy every single week is to see my followers profiting. Yeah, as you can see. Oh, we might have a Mr. Su here, Junming, Madia, Hey, Junming has entered around 1.1 and he's got about 250 pips off the euro now. Madia got it about 1.12, which is around the price that I re-entered last week. And of course, myself, I have two positions of euro running, one at 1.12, one at 1.1292. Currently, both are running in profit. Yep. So most important is, if you have no trades at the moment, what should you be doing? Okay, so my advice is that let me see. The euro has actually hit the profit target one on our setup, but and what I have done is that I have shifted my stop loss to protect my position, and this is likely gonna be a riskless trade. Yep, which means no matter what happens, as long as the broker honor my stop loss, I will be profitable on this trade. Yep. But if you guys are really itching for a trade on the euro dollar, these are two things that you can potentially consider. One is a challenge back into this resistance, potentially turning support zone, So if euro comes down to 1.13 once again, does a retracement down, potentially you can tell yourself, yeah, I have a potential trend continuation setup. This is the one of the opportunities that you can look at. The other ones will be for more aggressive momentum traders, which means what they will do is they will wait for this breakout. Okay, so they'll wait for the price, same thing, to bounce off a previous resistance zone first. Then they'll be waiting here After the bounce, they do not buy the low, but what they do is that they buy at the breakout. So the breakout will happen somewhere around here. Yep. So after a break of a 1.135, which is last week's high, we could see breakout traders coming in. So these are two ways to get into the trade if you miss the original setup. Of course, do not be too, just be patient and wait for some setups to happen before just jumping in. Euro looks really pretty bullish, and I will not be surprised to see it challenging the 1.14 or even the year high at 1.17. So this is euro dollar. Okay, next up is a setup that I shared last week on the signal service. This is a sell setup on the sterling yen. Yep. So this sterling yen actually completed a bearish cipher setup. Okay. I caught for a short around 186.35. Currently we are about 15 to 20 pips down. Yep. So this was the zone to sell. Okay. So potentially a big ride down south from here. We are aiming for this 183 zone as our profit target. Yeah. And if you want to look at the risk to reward profile, this will be stop loss should be around here. Ooh, okay. Okay, it's about a 2:1 risk to reward on this setup. Yep. So no matter what happens, it's critically important that you have your stop loss in place, right around the top here. Yep. So the worst that can happen to you is that you get stop out and you will not cry, and you will tell yourself, thank God I had a stop loss and I only lose probably only 1 to 2% of my account capital. Yep. So this is on the sterling yen. And Aussie dollar, the commodity pairs are pretty interesting. You can see a potential break of previous support turn resistance zone here. We can see really the bulls are coming in on the Aussie dollar. And how far can this potentially rally to? This is a zone that I'm really watching, which is likely 400 pips north from here. Yep. So do not be surprised to see the Aussie dollar gaining strength this week. I do not know what's going to happen fundamentally, but the charts are telling me that the bulls are coming back, and usually what you can look at is also the gradient of the rise. If it rises slowly and steadily, it's normal market movement. If it rises steeply, it's likely to be there are some insiders that know something and they are already in the market before us. And let's wait and see. Yeah, so this candle close on the 4-hourly chart is very important. A close above this yellow zone here will violate the previous structure resistance and support, and we can see more bullish traders, buyers coming in to buy the Aussie dollar. Yep. Last but not least, I want to cover the Kiwi dollar, which is a setup that we put out on the signal service last week, but we cancelled it late week due to because we felt that we want to re-explore and re-analyze the trade again. But after Friday's close and what happened this morning, what I realized is that the market still respects this harmonic pattern to short this Kiwi dollar. Yep. So watch out for the zone around 0.65, which is a previous resistance previous support turn potential resistance zone. Do not be surprised to see the Kiwi dollar rallying up, breaking above 64, but just to stop at 65 and continue dropping. We'll update you guys if we decide to take this sell setup on the Kiwi dollar this week. Okay, As you can see, the way we trade is very, very systematic, and it allows new traders as well as experienced traders to gain a new perspective on their own trading. Harmonics is not new; it has been around since 1970, and one thing I must also highlight is that it does not have an amazing hit rate of above 60 or 70%. Over time we realized that the hit rate is close to 40%, but because of the amazing risk to reward ratio, we are always able to eke out a profit at the end of the month, even by getting 6 out of 10 trades wrong. Ask yourself this question: which is more sustainable? To get 9 out of 10 trades correct all the time, or to get only 4 out of 10 trades, but end of the day you still get, you are still profitable at the end of the day. So we do not believe in hype. We do not trust robots that promises 100%, 200% hit rate, because we know that it's almost impossible in trading. Trading is end of the day just a probability game, which you must know how to control your losses and allow your profits to run. It is always easier said than done. I like to compare it to poker trading, where poker players knows how to calculate their odds and only play the hands that are with ends up in a long-term profitability. Right. Okay. So just some upcoming events that I would like to share with you guys. First thing is to come to this fan page. No, sorry. Just go to your bar and your search bar and look for HarmonicForex. This is where we update firsthand to all our subscribers and followers of upcoming promotions, and sometimes we are pretty what I call charitable, and we like to give free signals. So like just last week on Friday, what I did was I gave away one free signal to our ex-subscribers, people who were on trial with us last time, and also whoever that likes the page and drop us their email. So I think I got about 8 or 9 requests that that I sent out this signal to. I do not promise guaranteed returns, but this is absolutely a very nice setup that we are all taking, and our money is at stake too, and we really believe that this will make our subscribers some money. Alright, so please like our page, and to we have a lot of behind the scenes exciting stuff that we share, and also we talk about the success of our students and their experience. Yep. Last but not least, I would like a call to action, which is this. Okay, scroll down to the post that was posted on September the 8th. What we have upcoming is something very, very exciting. HarmonicForex has been in the market for about 3 years, and what we have achieved is to get a lot of our graduates, prop trading opportunity with our partners in the industry. So what we do is that we train these traders, and we vet through their results. We see their consistency over a period of 3 to 6 months, and if they pass our strict criteria, what we do is that we will recommend them to these fund houses where they will start off trading with a minimum 5-figure sum, which of course might be big, or it might not be a lot to some people, it might be huge to some young traders, for example. But we just want you guys to experience the ups and downs of becoming a real professional trader. And the potential is really limitless, because what I'm currently doing with them is that I have this account parked under AIMS FX, which is the broker of the choice of broker which my fund house uses. So this is institutional execution under ECN, and this platform itself, as you can see, currently I'm running on a $100,000 account, but it has about 10 to 20 accounts that stack to me, which the fund size ranges from 5-figure up to 7-figure at the moment. That's copying all my trades. Yep. So I've been on this program for the second month now, and first month I did about 5%, and this month I'm on track to another profitable month, likely. And upcoming, there's potential that you can be handling 8-figure or 9-figure sums of trading funds if you can prove that you are good. Good does not mean that you know how to make a lot of profit. It also means that you know how not to lose a lot of your investors' money. And this is only possible by very strict risk management. As you can see, my trades are kept. Okay, this is just a profit payout for last month. My trades are usually, the losses are kept within $1,000, which is usually below 1% of my trading account. Yep. So, can you consistently make a profit risking less than 1% of your trading account? Can you? If not, and if you think that whatever I just shared with you makes a lot of sense, it's something that you are looking to do for your trading, and you want to be part of this exciting new opportunity that we roll out for our clients, I strongly encourage you guys to actually click on this link here, register your seat for the upcoming seminar held at City Index. It will be on the 22nd of September, which is on a Tuesday evening. So my team will be there. We will be sharing with you everything that we can share with you. We will be teaching you some basic strategies that we use in our trading, and of course, we want you guys to understand, how powerful this opportunity can be in terms of turning your life around, getting you a second income, and becoming a professional trader, which I believe is what many of you guys are looking forward to. Yep, so that's the end of my video for this week. I really hope that you guys benefited from my analysis and you guys like what I'm sharing. So to show a little bit of appreciation, I hope that you guys can come and like this page, and probably click on my profile. Look for me, Terry Gamtan. Okay, drop me a message and say hi. I would like to make more friends. Yep, so that's about it for this week. I wish you guys an awesome trading week ahead, and I wish you guys that you can make